Good afternoon. Now we are discussing northwest corner method of transportation problem in module number 3 of the subject operation research. So the statement of the problem goes like this. So a mobile phone manufacturing company, right, is having three branches, that is Jaipur, Udaipur and Mumbai, in three different regions. The company will transport the manufactured mobile phones to three destinations, that is Kanpur, Pune and Delhi. So the availability from Jaipur center is 40 units of phones, from Udaipur 60 and Mumbai 70. So these are the capacities from these centers. Similarly to the destinations, the demand from Kanpur's location is 70 units, then Pune 40 units of mobile phone and Delhi 60 units. So the transportation cost per piece, that is per unit of mobile phone, is given in the table here. So in rupees. So use the northwest corner method to find the best basic feasible solution. That is, from which center how many units will be shipped to these destinations, Kanpur, Pune and Delhi, so that all the destinations should fulfill their requirements and all the stocks available in these sources should be emptied. So first step is to balance the problem to check whether the summation of supply is equal to summation of the demand. If this holds true, then we'll consider the problem as the balanced one. So here the summation of demand comes to 170. The summation of supplies also comes to 170. So if supply is not equal to demand, that is summation of supply not equal to summation of demand, so we have to add dummy source, that is the dummy market. So whichever makes the problem balanced, either you will add dummy row or dummy column, so that the problem from unbalanced state it will be converted to balanced state. So now since the given summation of demand is equal to summation of supply, so the given transportation problem is balanced. Since it is northwest corner method, so we have to assign to the northwest corner cell. So the top most left hand corner, so the topmost corner, so that is the northwest cell in the matrix, will make the allocation based on the availability and the demand. So now we have to verify. Okay, so that is the northwest corner element is 4 here. So see the corresponding supply and demand. So supply is 40, demand is 70 for this particular northwest corner element. So out of 40 and 70, the minimum one. So that is, though the requirement is 70, so the supplier is capable of supplying only 40 units. So assign 40 to this cell. So now the Jaipur center is having no units to supply. So I will get rid of this Jaipur now. So out of 70 pieces requirement, only 40 units of mobile phones are delivered to Kanpur. So still, so 70 minus 40, so that is 30 more units are needed to this destination Kanpur. So now the condition is that, okay, we have to get rid of the row or column when the supply or demand is fulfilled and prepare the new matrix. So now the summation of demand 30 plus 40 plus 60, so it becomes 130. So 60 plus 70 also becomes 130. Now Jaipur was removed in the earlier matrix. Now we have Udaipur and Mumbai. So the northwest corner element is this 3, the first element in the matrix. So see the corresponding supply and the demand. So supply is 60, demand is 30. So only 30 units are required now for Kanpur. So assign 30 to this. Now the demand of Kanpur is fulfilled. So get rid of Kanpur now. The destination Kanpur is removed now from the further iteration. Out of 60 units available, 30 units are exhausted. So 60 minus 30. So 30 units are left out with Udaipur center. So like this we have to repeat the procedure until all the allocations are over. So that each time, so the first element in the matrix, that is the top most corner element, left corner element, will be assigned until all allocations are done. So the next iteration tables are shown here. So we have to keep on reducing the table until all the supply and all the demands becomes 0. So now this is the assignment now. So write all the allocations and finding the total transportation cost. So that is the final step. So for one piece of mobile phone shipment, so the cost is 4 rupees. So if 40 units are supplied means 40 into 4. Similarly with other cells, it is 3 into 30 plus 4 into 30. So plus 2 into 10. So then we have 60 into 8. So it comes to 870 rupees. So finally in the table, in the last table, so the demands were made 0 and the supply column will also become 0. So this is how the requirement of mobile phones in these destinations will be fulfilled, and we also make sure that from these production centers Jaipur and Udaipur and Mumbai, all the units will be shipped to any one of the destinations. So this is the minimum transportation cost, 870 rupees of shipping all the mobile phones to the required destinations. Thank you.